Today, we're gonna fill up balloons using this bad boy. Is this a good idea? Probably. It must be. You gotta stretch them out. Very important for their overall working function. First of all, we're gonna try just revving it and see if we can fill up the balloon. This is really crazy. Something tells me that's not gonna work, but we got a little. Look. Ooh. I might as well just. This is something that I've been working on for a couple of months right now. It's a very sophisticated device. I call it the Air Funnel 2000. It funnels the air into this. I'm gonna take a balloon. We're gonna stretch her out a little. It was weird that I said her. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it like that. We're gonna go over like this. Yes, you see? Cameraman, you getting this? Very good. Now, if my calculations are correct, this should force all of the carbon dioxide? Is that what comes out of that? Probably. It's gonna funnel all of those into this little plastic thing, heating it up and releasing deadly fumes. Let's try this out. It's working! I don't know what to tell you guys. I really thought that would work. I'm not kidding. I thought that this will be a massive failure if I don't even get one balloon. Let's try again. Back at it.
Did I ever tell you what the definition of insanity is? Insanity is doing the exact same fucking thing over and over again, expecting shit to change. Insanity.
I'm gonna be honest, guys. I thought this was gonna work. It's melted on now. It's not going off. So at least we got a new weapon. It came off. Don't show them the balloon corner. Maybe if we fill it up with air so it's ready to be expanded, maybe that will work. I feel like it would. Something went wrong. Okay, maybe now when it has been filled with air, if I put it back on my sophisticated air funneling system, now we have a balloon that's already been filled, so it has already been stretched. But nothing's happening. Oh, hold on. One hand. We were getting somewhere. If only I had a hey, cameraman, you want to hold this? What? How did that not work? Look at this. Oh, this is gonna work, cameraman. I've done it now. I don't know why, but this feels super unsafe. You get in there. Watch the action. Maybe there's some science thing we didn't think about. Maybe this doesn't work. Can you fill balloons with carbon dioxide, cameraman? Okay, so cameraman, the clickbait's gonna be pretty easy. You're gonna have to film it like you're very shook. Get over there. Film it like it's just a regular convenience thing, and I'll fix this in post. But you gotta see little of me too. That's what the hype is. Back up. God damn it. This is what you get from hiring people from Craigslist. Alright, here we go. There we go. Check this out though. Yeah. So anyways guys, that's it for this video. To answer your question, I don't think it works. I don't think you asked either, but it doesn't work buy the new merch. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.
Special thank you to patrons Misha Blazer, Matthias Palmquist, and Admiring Trash 25.